about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Okay, start already.
Alright,
I look at that,
somehow we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
สวัสดีครับ Welcome to Cooking with Mon. I'm here on this beautiful island called Lanta, Krabi. Just 1 minute from my house. Look at what behind me, what's surrounding me. It's beautiful rubber plantation here. Today, I'm gonna cook the most famous, delicious dish in this country, Pad Thai. This recipe is just quick preparation and can turn out amazing. The noodle here is dry, okay, so that's why we need to soak them in the water first. Approximately around 5 to 10 minutes. Next ingredient I'm gonna bring in is the shallot. So what to do with your shallot? Just put on your eyes and smile with me, okay guys? So this is how we do cooking with me. So just not just cooking, we dance together. Next, garlic. How much garlic? Up to you. I'm gonna go just 3 cloves. My next ingredient is chive. I love to go for chive if you can find. But if you can't find chive, the next thing to replace is the spring onion. I love the smell of chive here. Nice good chunk. Tofu. Some people say I love tofu. Go as much as you can, but me, not big fan of tofu. I just go this. How are you gonna chop them? I would say not too big, not too small. Bean sprout. That's my next thing to put in my pad thai here. I love bean sprout. Put as much as you can. The handful, 2 handful. Go ahead. Get egg, a dark egg, any type of egg you want. Smile with me one more time, and then. Ooh.
Take my hand, we'll make it.
One enough.
Somehow we can't miss out.
Line.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
The most important ingredient in pad thai is tamarind. No tamarind, no pad thai. You can find everywhere around the world, either in this form of the paste like this, or in the jar, the concentrate already mixed with water like this. Wow, this is pure natural sour. Many people just try to remember how many spoons of this, how many spoons of that. Don't. Just know what we're looking for. Sour, sweet, salty here. My forever best friend, fish sauce. Fish sauce is always in Thai dishes. You can replace with salt. Fish sauce. Sweet. This palm sugar and this palm sugar. Can't find palm sugar at home? Just use normal white sugar or brown sugar. If you're gonna use this, let me show you how you're gonna work with this guy, hey? Oh man, I want to tell you, I'm lucky me. I grew up see this since I was little. Wow. So good. Just another pure, natural, sweet. When it comes to flavor, you always say sour, sweet, salty. What about spicy? When it comes to spicy, up to you. Me personally, I love spicy. The last ingredient in pad Thai is the crunchy of peanut. Perfect.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out.
Today I cook pad thai with prawn. You can go with chicken, prawn, without meat, just the way you want to eat. Pad thai is very quick dish to cook. After you turn on the fire, less than 5 minutes you have pad thai ready for the whole family. Let's start then. Boil in how much? Approximately 2 tablespoons. My mom always say, just move your woks around. Why not just move yourself around as well? Little exercise before you cook. Garlic shallot in. Smell this garlic and shallot here. Tofu. Or in Thai we call Tofu. Smells so good in the middle of the rubber plantation. Our prawn from the sea. Wow. Just scramble the egg, hey! Wow! Can't wait to eat my pad thai here. Look at this. Oh, so good. Next, I will drop the noodle in. This tiny bit of water here, around 50 ml. Remember, you cook pad thai, not noodle soup. What water doing here? Water is helping the noodles cook properly. I can start with the flavor. Sweet fish sauce. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Just put them in. Next is the sour tamarind in. So now we have sour in, sweet in, salty in. Time to put your energy in. Just think you are the best pad thai seller in the whole wide world.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living.
Yes, I love my pad thai. Bean sprout. Ah, chive. Ooh, look at this. See how you like it. This is what I'm looking for in my pad thai. Sour, sweet, and salty. Let's squeeze the lime with me. Oh, can't wait. The chili here, the lime here. Peanut in. Wow, the prawns are good.
Amazing.